Hello world, this is What's Up 2190, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to prevent Google Chrome via a method I found from automatically signing out of your Google account, YouTube, Gmail, Google Drive, etc. every time you close the browser. So this is a thing that was happening to me where Google Chrome would sign me out of my Google account every time I closed the browser and my YouTube and all that, and it gets a little annoying having to sign back in every single time on the same browser. So this is a method that should work for stopping that. I'm not saying it's going to work forever, but it should make it so you have to sign back in again less often. So sorry for the crop effect. I didn't want to show my Google account information on YouTube. But what you're going to want to do is go to your Google Chrome settings. And then you're going to want to go to find the tab that says Cookies. And then where it says Allow, click Add and then paste in the URL that I have highlighted now, which I'll put in the description. That is the Google account sign-in. And by entering that, what we're effectively telling Google Chrome is not to delete the information for your Google account sign-in every time the browser closes. So it should remember the login information and input it automatically. So that's about all you have to do for this method. I'm not saying it's going to work forever, but again, it should make the re-sign-ins less frequent. Another thing to watch out for is disk defragmenting software. If you use an app like CC Cleaner or some other disk cleaning software to clean your hard drive, a thing to watch out for is that this can those software will often scan and delete your browsing cookies, which can sign you out of your account again. So if you do use one of those software, you're going to want to configure it to clean your hard drive. You're going to want to configure that software not to delete Google Chrome's cookies. So that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe. This is What's Up 2190, and I'm signing off. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next video.